and welcome to this tip. Now this tip is going to be around using magazines. Now today we've got really cool funky magazines that have got beautiful illustrations and they just look fantastic. Now one of the things I love is their titles. Now you can see with this magazine that the word flow just looks amazing on all of this colour. So I am literally going to cut it out, just go around the edges, and this is going to be my title for the page that I am going to create all with a magazine. Okay, so there's our title. I'm also going to create some pretty funky flowers, and because this is all in the same colour, it will look fantastic if I stick with it. So I'm just going to cut out some sort of semicircle-y, wobbly, flower-looking shapes. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to match all of the images that we have got here that we have just cut out from that front page, and I'm just going to look for a suitable background. And I've just got a pastel 12 by 12 cardstock pack here. I think I might go with something like this. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm now going to turn these into flowers because at the moment they just literally look like blobs. So I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to get a white pen out. The best thing to do with white pens is we're so used to using black on white that we often forget that when we get a white pen we can do so much more than we normally would. And I'm just going to start creating flowers here using my white pen. This is a pigment ink pen, and the other one that's also really good is a Posca pen. If you get that in a nice small nib, they're also good too. Okay, so I hope you can see that I have literally just done some lines in the middle, splurted out to kind of like the seed ends of the stem of the flower. And I've got my flow to go down here. Now this really does need a lovely big black and white up front photo. Anything with too much detail, anything with too much colour is going to get completely lost, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on a photograph that I think would look absolutely beautiful in this, finish it off, and then I'll show you at the end. Okay, so I've just inked the edges of those flowers and I've chosen my photograph, and I'm just going to show you now how I put it all together. So there we have a very simple layout, page layout, all using the front cover of a magazine. So I've put going with the flow is what you do best, which is my middle child and something he does very, very well. So I just wanted to show you that. See you next time.